In a fun junk journal dream, DJ's crafting grungy scenes. Hither and yon, where friends all meet. Paper glue and vintage treats.
Hello, my crafty friends. Welcome to Hither and Yon Studio. And if you've been here before, welcome back. If you're new here, I'm DJ and I play with paper. And it's December, guys. Happy December. A new month means a new free kit. And this month it's called Winter Friends, and you'll see why in a moment. Today's kit, this month's kit actually, is free all month, and it's a wintry mix of fun, happiness, and lots of cuteness. And I hope you guys enjoy it. So I'm going to do the flip through today, and all the details to get your kit for free are down in the description box below. So you can go ahead and get your free kit. It's also in the pinned comment, so you can go ahead and check there and get your free kit all month long. And then we do a craft along all month. So if you want to play along and watch how I create this little mini junkie journal, digital journal, whatever you want to call it, then you can watch those videos and get some ideas for your journal, or you can take it and run with it. It's completely up to you. You don't really need the craft along videos if you've done this before. If you're new, you might want to watch and get some fun inspiration and ideas. Okay, let's get on to it. So it's called Winter Friends. It's a wintry, blue hinty. It's got some pastels in it. I just love it. It's gorgeous. And it comes with these half fold sheets. So you cut them in half and then you fold them in half, and we put them together in signatures and then build on them. So it makes like a little mini journal. I love that. All right, so I print on the front and back so that I have a journal page on each one when I fold it over, but you could leave it white or print a different color paper. It's completely up to you. So here we have a little snowman and lots of frosty scenes. The Stoats are taking over this month. I am in love with Stoats. They are just gorgeous and sweet, furry creatures, kind of a mix between a mink and a weasel in looks. They're just gorgeous. They're so fun, and I love them. So Stoats are the main theme this month, but there's a lot of other friends. A little wintry cabin. Oh my goodness, look at him. These are just so cute, guys. Look. Oh my god. You're just cuteness overload. We got bunny skating. We've got like so much fun. All right. So, this little and a little baby skunk. We need to bring the skunks in. Skunks are underappreciated, as are stoats. So, we're going to show them off this month. And I just love it. It's frosty and fun and just makes me smile. So I hope it makes you smile too. I hope you enjoy this month and the Stoats. So you get all of these pages, and I gave you some neutral pages so that you could just have some blank pages to build on if you wanted to. A lot of people to cover up the pictures sometimes, so I try to give you that. So you got all of these. So you can print them front and back or singular. Then we have all of our I can't stop. They are adorable. There's a lot of guys peeking out from behind. Why not? It's so cute, right? So we got some tags here, some circles, pockets, more pockets. So these could be used as journaling cards or pockets. These are gusseted pockets, stamps, lots more tags featuring our friends in the woodland area. These are like fold over tags for paper clips, tickets. Oh, and lots of cards featuring. Oh my, I can't not laugh. They're adorable. I just love them. See, lots of peeking. Because peeking's cute, that's why. Stoats, snowy flower. And then some circle pockets. I just love them. And then I gave you a bunch of words and some quotes here that you can use. So you can put these on the pages if you'd like. And then there's a bunch of pages that are full sheets that you can cut sections out of or use them any way you want. You can also shrink them down. I have a Canva video showing you how to resize your papers. So you can check out my Canva for Crafters playlist if you want to learn how to do that in Canva, which is free. So here, yeah, we have these. And so I brought some of those pastel colors in. So you could use these to make more tags or add side tucks, pockets to your pages. Just anything you want, really. It's definitely a frosty, wintry scene, so get cozy, grab something yummy to drink, and let these wonderful, happy creatures bring some warmth to your month. I hope you enjoy this month's kit. Get it in the description box below, and I will see you on this Thursday for the first craft along video where we will be assembling our journal. So if you want to join in, you can join me there. Don't forget to subscribe so you get notifications when I send out new videos for the month or other videos. And I'll see you soon. Have a great rest of your day or night and enjoy your monthly kit. Bye.